Okay, one more thing. This is the extension of how you will run the VR game or VR application in your Indie. If somehow when you play it, and the simulator give you black screen, from my case, it just run fine. But if because it happens to me, if this give you black screen, just go to edit project settings. Let me just show you, and go to the Android and select the Oculus, because I've select the Oculus touch controller and check the multipass, and just remember this setting and go to this and do the exactly the same and remember these settings. If the simulator gives you black screen, do this and it will hopefully will be fine.